Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial transactions efficiently in QuickBooks Online is crucial, whether you're a small business owner or an accountant juggling multiple accounts. There are times when you might need to delete a transaction because of a mistake, or perhaps the transaction is simply no longer relevant. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to effectively delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your records stay tidy and accurate. Let's dive right in. After logging into your QuickBooks Online account, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. This panel is your main navigation tool and offers a variety of options to help you move through different sections of your QuickBooks account. The specific section we are focusing on today is labeled Transactions. Go ahead and click on that to get started on our mission. Once you're in the Transaction section, your next step is to locate the Chart of Accounts tab. This area is vital, as it organizes all your financial accounts, making it easier for you to manage and analyze your financial data with clarity. Upon entering the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a comprehensive list of all your accounts laid out before you. Here, your task is to pinpoint the account category that contains the transaction you want to delete. This will depend on where the transaction was initially categorized. Take a moment to carefully find the correct account category. After identifying the appropriate account category, you'll notice an option labeled View Register. Think of this register as a detailed ledger where you can see all transactions linked to a particular account. Click on View Register to access this detailed list of transactions. This view is incredibly useful as it shows you all entries, debits, and credits associated with that specific account. Spend some time scanning through the list until you identify the transaction you wish to remove. Once you've located the transaction in the register, focus on that specific line item. QuickBooks makes it quite intuitive to manage your transactions, providing options to edit, delete, or make adjustments as needed. Since our goal is to remove this particular transaction, simply click on Delete. A prompt is likely to appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the transaction. If this happens, confirm that you want to proceed with the deletion. This extra step is a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally remove something important without realizing it. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully deleted a transaction in QuickBooks Online. It's a simple process, and once you're familiar with it, it will take you no time at all. Keeping accurate financial records is critical for maintaining your financial health. Ensure the transactions you manage are precise and up to date. If you ever need to undo your action, QuickBooks offers solutions such as reinstating transactions through audit logs or other reconciliation processes. However, proactively ensuring every entry is correct is always the best approach. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to delete a transaction in QuickBooks Online. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.